Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to change wallpaper on iOS 17. First of all, open the settings, then go to wallpaper and click add new wallpaper. Now you can choose from several options here. You can select some from your own photos, you can create photo shuffle, you can set emoji wallpaper, weather wallpaper, astronomic wallpaper or color wallpaper. Just pick the one that you want to apply and smoothly use it. If you scroll a bit lower, you will also be able to notice kaleidoscope wallpaper. So just pick the option that you like the most. You can also change the appearance from automatic to light or dark, and then customize fonts here. So actually this feature is known from iOS 16, but still it's nice to configure it here. Now click on done. Set it either as wallpaper pair or customize home screen separately, however you like. We can add some color here and tap on done then. So that's it. From now on you'll have this color home screen and kaleidoscope lock screen, and you can change it whenever you want to. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.